Coming up next, see how developments in technology are increasing efficiency, improving machinery, and helping operations to run more smoothly.
From severe storms to offshore construction, an array of challenges contribute to issues taking place throughout the maritime, defense, and emergency response industries.
Earth is made up of more than 70% water. We need to harness energy from the ocean, wind, tidal, oil and gas, strategic raw materials. Very large cranes are often used to either place or remove objects underwater. They're expensive, they need to be transported, they are costly. The alternative using buoyancy is that they're less expensive, easy to transport, can be brought to remote locations, require fewer personnel, and we've got proven performance using buoyancy as an alternative to using heavy lifting equipment.
As technology gets smarter, innovations in marine equipment are propelling us further into the future.
Well, working underwater is a unique experience. You're working in one of the most hostile and challenging work environments on the planet. To work underwater really requires a well-trained team of divers to be able to work against their time limits, the forces of nature and physics, and achieve their objective. Active buoyancy control is the ability to instantly monitor where an object is in the water column and the velocity that it's moving at. It dynamically adjusts the amount of air going into the lift bag so that they can control and get a precise velocity or movement of that bag through the water column to the desired speed that they determine.
Now, developments in groundbreaking technologies are helping to deliver superior solutions to many challenging problems.
Any underwater task is dangerous. Using our buoyancy control system, which is an underwater system using a microprocessor computer that injects air into the bag or lets air out of the bag to control the ascent rate and velocity through the full ascent of the object to the surface, significantly reduces risk and increases safety.
As a worldwide leader and innovator in engineered inflatables, the technology is designed to meet the toughest challenges in commercial, scientific, and defense applications.
Our products are used in nuclear power plants where some strategic equipment needs to be either placed or removed. Our buoyancy control system can accomplish that safer and with less risk. In oil and gas offshore will be a similar situation where we're doing repairs to wellheads, where we're in deep water, and our buoyancy control system can place and remove any component of that wellhead safely and more efficiently than an overhead crane or other alternative methods.
There are a lot of small, innovative companies in the space that we would call engineered inflatables, and the barriers to continued growth are higher for small companies than for medium-sized or large-sized companies. With this in mind, we created Performance Inflatables with the purpose to help bring infrastructure and resources to these small companies to help them unleash growth within their own niches and in new areas.
Designed with each mission in mind, the Performance Inflatables can be used for a number of applications, from salvage and object recovery to defense, construction, scientific applications, and more.
We collaborate on every project nearly, whether it be custom applications in industry as well as military. We engineer and manufacture products such as liquid containment bladders used to contain fuel and for water, used by military and civilians worldwide.
Well, emergency water and fuel solutions are critical in the time of need, regardless of what kind of environment you're in. I mean, it's critical. When you're out of water, you're out of water. When you're out of gas for your generators or you're out of fuel for your tractors, you have to have a solution to do that liquid logistics distribution. This has the ability to both be agile, it's cost effective, and it has the ability to deliver 400 gallons of water or fuel to folks that need it.
Our future relies on the oceans. That future is what we are positioned for and hope to contribute to.